To replace the battery on your GoPro 11, first make sure to power off your camera. And then on the side, when it's off, right here, pull very, very hard to take the door open. And then take the battery and pull it out. Bring up your new battery on the same side, just right here. You see the connector inside at the very end. You just align it, put it right back in, shut the door, and you can now turn on your camera. If you're looking for a new battery, you can find some with the link in the description. And if you want to find out how to recharge your camera or your battery, please see the video just right here.